Welcome to the latest themed DIY video brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Tina, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we're making a salt painting of a shooting star. Are you ready to get your steam on? Kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure to ask for an adult's permission. First, we're going to need some paper, a paper plate or tray for catching the salt, a pencil for sketching out your design, a paintbrush for painting, a bottle of liquid glue, a cup of water, about this much should be fine, some food coloring. Now kids, ask an adult for permission before using food coloring because it can stain. 4 empty cups. And last but not least, the salt. Now we're going to set up our colors. Take the big cup of water and pour a little of the water into each of the 4 small cups. Leave a little water in the big cup. Now grab your food colorings and put a few drops into each cup. The more drops you add, the more saturated the color will be. This means that your painting will be a lot brighter. Now swish around the color with the water so that it mixes up. Next, we're going to set up your picture. First, place your paper in the plate, and then we're going to draw a shooting star. So first, start off by drawing your star, and then draw 3 curved stripes. Next, we are going to put some glue on our painting. So go ahead and grab your glue and untwist the cap. Now we're going to trace along your drawn lines with the glue. This part can get a little messy, so don't be afraid to ask for an adult's help. And be sure to have some paper towels on the side. Grab your salt. Pour it over the glue on the picture. Cover every inch of the glue with the salt. Then you're going to take your paper, shake off the excess salt, and then we're going to set the plate aside. Dip your paintbrush into one of the colors, and now you're going to start painting. So, when you dab your paintbrush onto the salt, try to do it very lightly. The glue is still wet, so it can be moved around in this process. Notice how easily the salt absorbs the water and the color. You don't need to use much paint at all. I'm finishing up with a painting now. You can switch to different colors for each part. Notice how, for this middle line, I used 2 different colors. Get creative and play around with your imagination. Leave your paintings to dry overnight. Here is a shooting star that I made yesterday. With a little imagination, you can make something way bigger. Try out your own designs, like this one that I made here. All you have to do is sketch it out beforehand. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making this salt painting with us. Don't miss our next video. Subscribe to the Phoenix Public Library YouTube channel. This themed DIY video has been brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library, a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What are you going to make next?